Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use DustAir detector cleaning aerosol to effortlessly remove dust from the detector chamber. Use the solo removal tool and pole to remove the detector without the need of a ladder. Apply DustAir aerosol in the 4 quadrants of the detector chamber. This will effectively clean the chamber from dust. After cleaning, reinstall the detector using the solo removal tool and pole. You can see that the false or fault alarm has cleared from the panel, indicating that the system is in good health.